Hi guys, in this video, I will show you what is the Cash App glitch. So originally, Cash App was having issues where their customers were being charged twice. But after the fix, people realized that you can input any number into the app and deposit those funds into your bank without actually even having that money. So naturally, people got onto this quick. Everybody started using the Cash App glitch. People were withdrawing large amounts of cash. And for a long time, this seemed to be an actual glitch in the Cash App system. But people didn't realize that Cash App would catch on to this. Any user who inputted any number into that account who didn't have the funds for that was automatically charged back and put into debt. There was absolutely no way that a multi-billion-dollar company was going to let something like this slide. It even says in the terms of service of Cash App that if you do this, and if you do not pay the money back after a certain amount of days, they can withhold your funds and then start taking money from that to pay the debt back. And after another certain amount of days, if they don't have their money back, they can start pursuing legal action. So the question is it still going on? It probably is still going on. Some people are barely catching on to this glitch, but Cash App is now aware of it. And anybody who was caught doing this is not only going to be in serious debt, but if they do not get that money back, your funds will be frozen and they can pursue legal action. But if you are just hearing about this and you think it's real, it is not real. So if you are just learning about this, do not do it. Stay away from it unless you want to be in serious debt and / or get sued by a multi-billion-dollar company. There are some people whose lives have actually been ruined just by doing this little simple gimmick. If you are someone who has done this, you have the money still sitting in your account. Leave it there. Do not take it out and just hope that Cash App is like, just give us the money back and we'll be fine. That's Cash App customer support. So you can get in touch with the right people to give that back. You do not want to ruin your life over something like this. If you have done the Cash App glitch, don't spend any more of that money. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to Cash App, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the U.S. or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below, and your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part? Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.